Welcome to RV Gear Review. Today we're taking a closer look at the 2026 Isuzu Motorhome, a surprisingly luxurious and capable vehicle that's been fully modified to deliver a high-end travel experience. If you thought Isuzu was just about utility trucks, think again. This model blends industrial-grade engineering with sleek design and impressive comfort features to create a truly standout motorhome. Let's start with performance. The 2026 Isuzu Motorhome is built on the reliable N-Series chassis and powered by a 5.2-liter turbo diesel engine. It offers strong torque, great fuel economy, and a smooth 6-speed automatic transmission. Whether you're towing extra gear or cruising across state lines, this motorhome handles it with ease. With a towing capacity of nearly 11,000 pounds, it's also perfect for hauling a small vehicle or trailer behind you. The exterior is clean and functional with a modern edge. It features a streamlined body, full body paint, and LED lighting all around. You'll also find a power retractable awning with integrated lighting, perfect for setting up your outdoor space wherever you park. Storage compartments are well placed and spacious, giving you all the room you need for gear, tools, and travel essentials. Step inside and it's a completely different world. The interior is designed to feel open and high-end. Leather seating, natural wood accents, and soft-touch materials create a welcoming, modern space. The layout includes a convertible dinette, a plush sofa, and a queen-size bed in the rear, with storage throughout. It comfortably sleeps 4 people and is perfect for long trips or full-time RV living. One of the best parts is the smart tech integration. The 2026 Isuzu Motorhome features a digital control panel that manages lighting, temperature, water levels, and more, all from a touchscreen or your phone. Entertainment is handled with a 42-inch 4K TV, Bluetooth sound system, and high-speed satellite internet, so you're always connected. In the kitchen, you'll find everything you need to cook like you're at home. It includes a 2-burner induction cooktop, convection microwave, full-size fridge, and even a compact dishwasher. Across from the kitchen is a well-designed bathroom with a separate shower, ceramic toilet, and a modern vanity with built-in storage. Isuzu also made this motorhome ready for off-grid living. It comes with rooftop solar panels, a lithium battery bank, and a 3,000-watt inverter, giving you days of power without needing to hook up. A high-efficiency HVAC system keeps you comfortable in all weather conditions. Safety features are impressive too. You get adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, a rear-view camera with parking assist, and automatic emergency braking. These features make driving and parking easier, especially for RVers who may be new to handling larger vehicles. The 2026 Isuzu Motorhome starts at around $155,000, making it one of the most competitively priced luxury motorhomes on the market. It's durable, smart, and comfortable, designed for travelers who want a rugged foundation with the comforts of a modern home. If you're looking for a dependable yet luxurious way to hit the road, this might just be the perfect fit. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow RV Gear Review for more in-depth looks at the latest RVs and travel gear. Thanks for watching, and happy travels.